This is for
Uncle Charity.
Aunt Charity.
Aunt Charity.
Because
she
gave us this book.
Because she gave us out.
And it's called, what's this book called?
The Bear Snores On.
Alright, here we go. Ready?
In the cave and the woods, and a cold,
deep,
dark lair through the
long,
cold winter sleeps a great brown bear.
Very good.
He cuddled in his heap with his eyes shut tight. He sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls and the night
sounds
growl.
But the
bear snores on. And anybody mouse patter tiptoe creep crawl in the cave.
From
the snuff cold snuff. So he likes we drink.
How about mouse squeaks? Mouse squeaks. Too damp.
Too dark. So we likes we drink with a small hot spot.
The coals.
When
the coals pip pop.
And the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes speak. It's in sneak peek and in the a mouse cries through that and the hair hops it. Hi, mouse says hair, no time no see. So they write we call a blue black key.
Mouths.
Three slops, big bops. But the bear snores on. But badger scuttles and sniffs there. I smell yum, be happy kitchen. I brought honey nuts, and Badger says with a grin. Let's nibby them up, cozy down and dig it. They chew on a day munch with a chew chomp crunch.
But
the bear snores on. And then
a gopher
and
a
mole turn her up to the floor, and the red and a raven flow into the door.
Mole mutters.
What a night, what a storm.
And everyone
puddles in the boy bear's bed. They tweet and they chitter, they chat and they chitter.
But the bear
snores on.
In a cave
in the woods, and the slowing bear sleeps through the day.
Sleeps through a party.
And sleeps through a party in his very own lair. And bear stokes the fire, mouse eats stew, and the small peck of flat makes the bear wachoo! He blows and he sneezes. The whole crowd freezes.
And
bear wakes up. He growls and grumbles.
Snarls. Bear
grumbles and he stops.
Bear growls and grumbles.
You snuck in my lair. You had all your fun. But me, I was sleepy. I had none. He rimples and he moans. He wails and he glows.
And the
bear blubbles off.
Mouse
squeaks too.
Don't
fast, no see. Can pop more cone and blue mushy.
Bear
gulps and gobbles. He sighs with thought, and he spins tall tails through the blustery night. Bear go play and grumble, see sides of the light. He spins tall tails through the blustery night.
When the sun
And
peeks out.
on the bear on. Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. He's like, I can't sleep.
Good book.